mangwanani vabereki pamsoroi guest of honor vedu Mr. Rukono, pamsoroi all invited guests, maheadmaster ezvikoro zvakatipoteredza, maheads emanesary schools akatipoteredza, maservice chiefs ose angadai ari pano ehurumende nemarepresentatives avo, mareligious priests ose, mabrothers, sisters, relatives and friends. We want to welcome you to our 24th Dominican Nursery School concert and graduation ceremony. This is our 4th graduation ceremony here at our new premises. The other 20 were held at our old nursery school just across the road. As you can see, all our children are not present, and we are going to start our program by seeing our children marching forward as they will be coming to take forward their seats. We thank you. Imhosva kurega kufara kana kutsamwa kana kutonorwa musi wegraduation wabereki tatenda. Vana vedu ndatovauchire maoko vachipinda. Vana vedu, vana vedu Jesu. Vana vedu, vana vedu Jesu. Vana vedu, vana vedu Jesu. Vana vangu vose ndaona vabereka muna kuti davira pananga ndichimba ndakauchire maoko vana. Vana vedu vakawanda ivavo, vana vedu ivavo vachikungouya. Zita rangu ndinonzi Muchema MW. I'll be your director of ceremonies. Kana kuti MC. Vazhinji vanofunga kuti MC zvinoreva kuti master of ceremony. Zvinoreva kuti mighty children. Our mighty children are coming forward. Hanzi Mwari pavakasika denga nenyika. Chavakazoita vakatendera munowanda segungwa remvura. Vachiziva kuti tichawanda. Nekuti waiziva kuti kuchava nemakireshi. Ende kireshi yakatanga kuvakwa Mwari wasika denga nenyika iDominican Nursery School. Saka imhosva kuita vana vashoma nekuti makireshi edu anoparara. Ndo atichamirwa nevana vedu.
Mr. Muchemwa. At first I asked Mr. Muchemwa if he could be the master of ceremony, but he refused. Then he was saying, maybe give me the chance so that I can look for some other people. But I've been waiting for some time. And today I was surprised that he is the master of ceremony. Hanzi zvekuunganirwa zvinenge zvinonakidzawo chaizvo. Zvinotipa manyawi. Ndinoda kutanga nekutenda. Iwo Mwari waita kuti tisangane panguva ino. Uyezve nechipo chemvura. Ndichitafara tese. Tanga tichinamatira mvura iyoyo handiti? Very good. Before I start, I want to welcome the children. Because if you don't welcome them, if you don't start by recognizing that they are present, they may end up doing some funny things just to draw attention so that we'll be able to see that they are around. Good morning, boys and girls. Good
morning, Sister Julia.
How are you today? I'm very fine, thank you.
Thank you, Sister Julia.
Today we are very smart, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow, did you say thank you to Mommy and Daddy?
Yes.
Let's all say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
For buying the clothes, isn't it? Okay. Master of Ceremonies, Mr. Muchemwa. The chairperson, Mr. Matenda Wafa. PTA members, board members, that is if they are present. I didn't see them yet. Oh, she has come. Sorry about that. Welcome. We also want to welcome our sister nursery schools, heads of representatives of primary schools around us, religious priests, brothers and sisters, and our honorable guest, Mr. Rukomwe. The year has gone so fast. I'm not so sure if it is a sign of age or just what happens when one is busy. Mr. Muchemwa, do you mind to come in? Hold for me. It has been a challenging year for the school. Certainly some of our events have been more successful than others. But once again, we have, with our royal supporters, achieved most of our goals and pressed on ahead. We have experienced a very good turn-up of pupils from the beginning of the term until now. I'm convinced that this is a sign of continuity in the maintaining of the good standards handed on by our predecessors. After saving the money for a number of years, the school has managed to purchase a car, a twin cab Toyota Hilux. We are quite happy about that, and sometimes actually we are very quiet about it, and the reason was that we had not yet cleared the debt. So zvinenge zvakaoma kungotanga kuti hey takatenga mota isiti nechikwereti asi izvozvo hatisisina. In July, the school embarked on an educational tour at Chipangali Wildlife Orphanage. I missed the trip this year, but I could tell from watching the DVDs that the whole crew enjoyed every moment. A big thank you to all the parents who helped towards the success of that day. And I'm sure it was somehow troublesome at home when all the children wanted to watch the DVD almost on a daily basis, isn't it? It shows that they enjoyed very much. One major area of concern now is the need to repaint the school. Donations towards the school are welcome. Many people have an assumption that the school does not need assistance, isn't it? The children are answering for you, but I'm sure it's very true. That's the assumption which we have. Do we agree? Toys, books, CDs, DVDs, or computers. We have them, but they're not enough. Clothes that are no longer fitting your children for door corners in the classrooms. Would appreciate if some of the parents can donate that to the school. We also appreciate good insights and ideas that will improve the standards of the school. We are all gurus of one sort in one way or another, isn't it? I like that. It is my pleasure to inform you that this year is the 24th graduation, and 2012 will be our silver jubilee. You are all invited to participate in the preparation of this remarkable event in the history of the school. I would like to acknowledge the hard work, commitment, and contributions of the fine colleagues I work with who are part of the administrative leadership, staff members, board members, PTA members, parents or guardians, and friends of the Dominican Nursery School. We can't do anything without you. And thank you. May the good Lord bless you all. And for this school to be the way it is because of the teachers which we have and the spirit of teamwork which the teachers have. Maybe some of you don't even know some of our teachers here, especially this year. There are quite a number of changes. Some of our teachers were on maternity leave, and we had to employ some new teachers as well. That's why we are seeing new faces. And I still remember that there are some parents who are not happy about that. But what can we do? I would like the teachers to stand up. All the teachers, please. Do you mind to stand up? Where is Baba Jose Ndwa Masina? I'm sure you all know from what the children tell you about Baba Jose Ndwa Masina, isn't it? And my Jose as well. Sister Clara, the caretakers, do you mind to stand up? Victor. Oh, there is behind me. And Patson, they are the gurus when it comes to karate. All the children are caretakers here. I wanted them to stand up so that you can see them. Because in town, you might meet them and the children will run after them, wanting to greet them. Then maybe you might say, these are strangers. They are not strangers. They are part of the family here. May you please sit down? Thank you. I've forgotten Mr. Kola as well. I'm sure all the children know about Mr. Kola, that he is a photographer. Now they know that he is a photographer. Before they didn't know that. He works behind the scenes. Thank you all for your skills, talents, and leadership that have made this year another memorable chapter for the school. Now I invite you to sit back and enjoy the children's class efforts. That is just a foretaste of what they do during the year. Let us always protect the children from all the abuses of this world. We are all responsible. The children learn from us adults. So it's up to us on the way you want them to be when they grow up. If you want them to be thieves, you behave like a thief. If you want them to be responsible, then we make sure that us as adults will also act as responsible people in all that we do. May the Lord bless us all. Thank you.
Nursery schools yakaitwa by census gurus. They wanted to find out the top 20. And the first one was Dominican Nursery School in Zimbabwe.
Number 2, there was nothing. Number 3, nothing. Number 4, nothing. Then number 13, another school in Harare. Thank you. Next on our program, we are going to invite our PTA chairperson, Mr. Matende Wafa. Thank you.
Thank you, MC. It is a very good morning to you, our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Rukomwe, the school headmistress, Sister Junior, our invited guests, teachers, support staff, parents and pupils of Jamaica Nursery School. As PTA chairman for the year 2011 to 2012, I would like to thank you all for attending this special day and make it a success. My term of office began in March 2011 after I took over from the past chairperson, retired Lieutenant Colonel Mutombeni. Our most notable achievement is that the PTA managed to purchase a stand for the water tank. As you all know, the PTA for the year 2010 purchased the tank with the assistance of parents through various fundraising activities. The tank was erected, and I'm happy to say that water from the tank is now running in the pipes. Therefore, our problems of water shortages are things of the past. I would like also to express my heartfelt gratitude to you parents for your support towards the purchase of the stand as well as installation of the tank. During the period of March 2011 to date, the school PTA managed to hold a total of 7 meetings. The constitution was revised and is being edited. Very soon, the PTA will have its own bank account. The tenure of office and its own challenges, some of which are still to be tackled, but I believe they will be solved. At this juncture, let me thank all the parents, the PTA committee, the board, and the authority for giving me this chance to chair the second committee of the PTA of the Dominican Nursery School. Your unwavering support made it all possible. Let us continue forever to endeavor to provide a bright start for future generations. And to the graduates, I say, congratulations. Amhlope Makorokoto. I want also to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I thank you.
We are going to see different children activities from different classes. We are going to start with our yellow class, 3 to 4 year olds. Thank you. From that long queue, if your child is missing, please report to the police as soon as possible. Thank you. Vanzi vana, vana vanokosha, vana ngatifarei. Have you ever asked yourself why the 3 or 4-year-olds are called yellow class, and the 4 to 5-year-olds called red class, and the 5 to 6-year-olds blue class? Have you ever asked yourself why they are given those colors? If you don't know, Mozona sister again, you can attend the graduation ceremony. Meanwhile, we are waiting for a yellow class 3 to 4-year-olds with their activity.
Run